How to find someone's Snapchat username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can find someone's Snapchat username. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to find someone's Snapchat username, it is very simple. You must at least remember their real name. And when you search for their real name, instead what you want to do is you simply want to come to the search tab, and then you simply want to search for that person's name in this case. When you just try to search for that person, many users with a similar name could pop up right in this case. And the ones that are most relevant to you, which means maybe could be a mutual contact with someone, they're going to simply appear here. Now let's say there's a specific person in your contact list, but you don't know their username. Well, do not worry, because when you tap the Bitmoji avatar and come to My Friends option, and then here you go to Add Friends, under the Quick Add section, you might most likely find their name, because here you can see all contacts. When you tap on all contacts, you'll be able to see all of these people who are currently on Snapchat, and then you should be able to go ahead and then call them respectively and then find out what their usernames are. And this way you can go ahead and then basically find someone's Snapchat username. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.